Do you want a perfect nose without pain and high sky prices? There is a modern, safe and effective alternative to rhinoplasty. It's called RhinoCorrect, and it is the proof that all great things are simple. RhinoCorrect is a nose reshape clipper. It changes the shape of the nose by applying light but constant pressure on the cartilage. It can help anyone who wants to improve the shape of the nose, and it's absolutely painless.
As a plastic surgeon, I was able to give my patients only one option for changing the shape of the nose, and it was rhinoplasty. This procedure is painful and expensive, and it requires time for the patient to recover. But this is all in the past. Now there is an innovative and safe alternative. In just 2 months with RhinoCorrect, you will have results similar to rhinoplasty.
Wear RhinoCorrect every day for 15 minutes for visible results. RhinoCorrect will make the nose smaller, make the nose thinner, give a lifted appearance, remove bumps or humps. There's no need to spend a fortune to fix your look. Order RhinoCorrect at rhinocorrect.com.